Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how you can add images to frames or shapes, just yeah, how you would call them. So as you can see, this is a project right now that I have open, and I want to put this image of this man bodybuilding, of this man lifting weight. I want this to put this image in a shape or a frame. So it's actually very easy. So what you need to do is you need to tap on elements in the left sidebar right here, tap on it, and as you can see you have a lot of things. So one way you can do is you can tap on frame right here, or you can just scroll down until you see frames and you can tap on see all. So as you see a lot of frames pop up, a lot of shapes pop up, so like squares, circles, triangles. There are tons and tons of shapes, but for example just select this circle, and what you can do is you can just tap on it, and it will automatically will be put in the project, or you can just swipe it in. And what you then need to do is you need to select the image you want to put into the shape, hold it and kind of move it into the image, as you can see, into the shape. So now this man is put into a circle, and what you can do is you can double tap on this image, and this way you can crop it, so you can make it bigger like this. So if you only want the face or the body into the circle, or you can use smart crop, as you see that load, and it's not really smart. So yeah, if this if this video was helpful, please subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.